Welcome back to The Morning Plan. When it comes to buying a home, 3 out of 4 mortgage borrowers only apply to one lender. But if you shop around, you can potentially save thousands of dollars. And here to help make us better borrowers is the founder and CEO of Credible.com, Stephen Dash. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Molly. Thanks for having me.
Wow, you think about this enormous amount of money that we borrow and we only go to one source.
Yeah, it's like going to the dentist is how I describe it. It's something that is painful and it's something that we all put off. But we know it's probably in our best interest to shop around, whether we're getting a mortgage for the first time or refinancing an existing mortgage. But the reality is 3 in 4 borrowers will only apply to one single lender, which means they potentially leave tens of thousands of dollars on the table. To give you an example, a quarter-point difference, so 25 basis points difference in your APR on the average mortgage equates to about $15,000 in interest over the life of your loan. So we're really excited to launch what we're calling a modern mortgage marketplace at Credible.com, where in 3 minutes, borrowers can see actual rates from multiple lenders without impacting their credit score.
Well, I will admit, the thing I hate about the process more than anything is all the paperwork that you have to assemble. But what is it, in your opinion? Why is it that we're only shopping one source or just going to one lender and then we take out that loan? Are we confused? Are we too busy? Is the mortgage process just intimidating?
Molly, it's all of the above. People look for the easiest way to dull the pain, kind of like the dentist analogy. So people look around, they get a rate and they say, look, this is good enough. We want to make it easier for people to see the actual rates that they qualify from multiple lenders, not just a rate range or a marketed rate, the actual personalized rate for your specific situation. And so we've launched the Credible.com mortgage marketplace in Milwaukee today, where borrowers can do that and make sure they're not overpaying on their existing mortgage.
Wow, launched today, and we're looking at what looked like a live shot of it there. I wonder too, there was a period of time a couple years ago where honestly I refinanced about 3 times in a year, a little over a year, and I'm not exaggerating. I wonder though now, has refinance activity plunged?
So between now and the end of 2019, about 2 million homeowners in the US will refinance their mortgage. And that's despite interest rates increasing. And the reason is borrowers have built up equity in their home. In Milwaukee, the average borrower has built up about $55,000 in equity in their home over the last 5 years. So they're using the equity in their home to do what's called a cash out refi. And they're using that cash that they can pull out of their home to pay down other high interest debt, or to remodel a kitchen or a bathroom, or put a deck on the back of their home. So lots of people still refinancing, about 2 million people in the US between now and the end of next year.
Student loans are a huge problem in this country. Is it true that you have kind of changed the face of the student loan industry?
So we have, over the last 6 years, built the leading marketplace for student loans, where we give borrowers actual rates from multiple lenders without impacting their credit, and importantly, without sharing their information all over the internet like some of the old school comparison sites do. So we've really changed the way borrowers look at their student loans. We've originated over $1.6 billion in student loans over the last 5 years. And we're excited to take that same technology to mortgage with the Credible.com marketplace.
Wonderful. Launched today here in Milwaukee, Credible.com. It was great talking to you, Stephen. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you, Molly.
And again, that website, Credible.com.